Obviously, getting away from a planetary group is a lot more difficult than one might expect. However, as per another paper distributed in the International Journal of Astrobiology and spotted by Universe Today, a high-level progress could do precisely that, by involving a whole planet as a monster shuttle. As such, as indicated by Houston Community College teacher Irina Romanovskaya, a rebel planet could go about as a raft, allowing a human progress to leave its old host star behind. I suggest that extraterrestrial civic establishments might involve free drifting planets as interstellar transportation to reach, investigate, and colonize planetary frameworks, Romanovskaya composed. Nature might have currently incidentally done exactly that by shooting maverick planets with livable subsurface seas through the universe. Stargazers have long associated the presence with a district encompassing the planetary group called the Oort cloud, a locale wrapping our framework that is thought to be home to minuscule, frigid planets. On the off chance that we laid hold of such a world, Romanovskaya proposes, it could give everything expected to endure the long excursion. Free drifting planets can give consistent surface gravity, a lot of room and assets, she contended. Free drifting planets with surface and subsurface seas can give water as a consumable asset and for security from space radiation. On the off chance that such a planet were cold or too dull, the space science teacher recommends progressed civic establishments might have previously evolved innovations, for example, combination reactors to make them livable. That's what Romanovskaya recommends. Grandiose drifters might one day at any point use objects like Sedna, a bantam planet with an unpredictable circle in our profound planetary group, as method for get out. One possible issue with hitching a ride on a maverick planet, in any case, is that its center could run out of intensity and, in the long run, neglect to support expanses of fluid water, on the off chance that such seas exist. Romanovskaya composed, they'd likewise be truly far away from some other assets significant for a progress endurance. Subsequently, rather than making free drifting planets their extremely durable homes, extraterrestrial civic establishments would involve the free drifting planets as interstellar transportation to reach and colonize other planetary frameworks, Romanovskaya finishes up. The hypothesis likewise raises the charming chance that SETI scientists could attempt to recognize any outsiders utilizing a planet as a transportation gadget. I propose conceivable technosignatures and relics that might be created by extraterrestrial civic establishments involving free drifting planets for interstellar movement and interstellar colonization, as well as systems for the quest for their technosignatures and curios, Romanovskaya composed. And that implies it very well might be workable as far as we're concerned to get a brief look at a civilization during its extraordinary departure, and maybe get familiar with some things, in the event that the sun compromises the Earth by transforming into a lethal red monster in the far-off future.